If you want to replace your video background and make your videos look more professional, but you're not sure how to remove the green screen properly, don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to remove a green screen in CapCut so you can achieve clean, seamless results. First, open the CapCut app on your PC and open the project in which you want to remove the green screen. If you're creating a new project, import your green screen video and drag it onto the timeline. Once the video is on the timeline, click to select it. Then, go to the video section and click Remove BG. From the available options, enable Chroma Key. Next, click on the color picker icon and drag it over the green area of your video. CapCut will instantly remove the green background. After that, fine-tune the effect by adjusting the strength, shadow, and other available settings until the background is removed cleanly. Now import the image or video that you want to use as your new background and drag it onto the timeline. Place the background clip on the lower track and keep the green screen video on the track above it. Adjust the duration and position of both clips if needed. Once everything looks the way you want, preview the result, then export your video using your preferred resolution and quality settings. That's it for today's video. If this tutorial helped you, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more YouTube tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.